Now here's a short little video on how to assemble the BoBo clock. We start off with the back of the clock and we insert each leg and then we twist it so that it stays in place, like this. Once we are finished with attaching the legs, we can move on to the front of the clock and attach the quartz movement to the front. The quartz movement, it looks like this, and we put it through the hole in the front. And then we use the nut that comes with the quartz movement to securely fasten it to the front of the BoBo clock, like that. You could use a tool, but using your fingers should be enough. Now the next step is to attach the clock hands to the axes of the quartz movement, and you simply do it by pressing them carefully, gently over the axis. And make sure that they are pointed to 12 o'clock, because that will make it easier to set the correct time. Then finally, if you want, you can attach the second hand. The second hand, it's not printed, it is included with the quartz movement, and to make it, you simply cut it off at an appropriate length. So now that all of the clock hands are pointing to 12 o'clock, we set the correct time, like that. Alright, so now finally, with the correct time set, we can attach the front of the clock to the back side. And we do it by simply inserting the front into the back, like this. And then to make sure that the front doesn't fall out, we rotate the legs about 20 degrees, and that will make the front attach firmly to the back side so that it doesn't fall out. And that's it. The BoBo clock is done.